everyone, Cherie here. Today I'm going to be creating a layout using the Sunday sketch over on the Citrus Twist Kits blog for Sunday, November the 1st. This is a sketch I'm going to be working with today. I absolutely love it, especially this home scripty word up the side. That was actually a cut file and I have that already cut out using my silhouette, so that's ready to go. I'm going to be using the beautiful scrapbooking add-on kit for November from Citrus Twist Kits. Lots of beautiful papers to choose from in this kit. I've gone with these two here, and I've also got the other things from the kit as well to use. I've got these gorgeous thickers here. I've got the chipboard flare here to use as well. There's the simple storage chipboard stickers. There are also these beautiful thickers. I'm not sure if I'll be using them on my page today with that scripty word, but we'll see how I go with that. There are also some beautiful ephemera pieces here to use. Look at all these beautiful ephemera pieces. They are the Days of Splendor from Pink Fresh. So they're all included in the scrapbooking add-on kit. I do have my journaling printed out ready to go, and I'm using 2 photos today, just like in this sketch. And I'm also grabbing the two of the stamp sets on offer this month. I've got the Traveller's Notebook stamp set here. I really like this full heart stamp at the bottom that I'd like to use on this layout. And I've also grabbed this one. This is the Legends stamp set. I really love these little groupings of hearts, so I'm thinking I might add some of those on the page as well. I do have the November Life Crafted kit here, just in case I need anything else. That's the legendary Life Crafted kit, which is full of great things. But I think I'm ready to make a start, so I'll pop you on fast forward and show you my interpretation of the sketch today. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to add my pattern paper pieces to the cardstock background, and I am sticking with the 8.5 by 11 size layout. So I've got the gingham paper and that floral paper, just layering those together onto the page, just like in the sketch. And I also have the strip to go across the bottom. I've chosen the gingham paper for that as well, and for the little triangle that's going up in the top left-hand corner too. So just putting that one into place. And now I'm going to grab my sewing machine and add stitching to all of those pieces. So that is done. I can go ahead and add my photo. So I'm just working out the placement for these. As you can see, I did cut my photos Polaroid style, so it has that white section at the bottom of each photo, and I will add a stamp sentiment to that bottom photo later. I've got one of the chipboard stickers here. I'm just making sure I've got enough space on the right hand side to add my embellishments before I stick the photos down. So that's going on there now, and now I can look at what other embellishments I want to add. And I'm going to do a combination of flat paper ephemera pieces, chipboard stickers, and a chipboard flare as well. So I'm just going to stick those flat embellishments down first because I want to add some stitching across each one. So I'm just grabbing this floral thicker. It's quite thick. But I don't want to stick that down yet either because it will interfere with my sewing machine, but I'm just getting that spacing right before sticking down that little camera piece. Alright, so now that that's on there, I'll grab my sewing machine and add stitching to those 2 ephemera pieces, and now I can go ahead and add my other stickers. So I've got the floral sticker going there, I've got that little floral envelope going at the bottom there. I think that's super cute, that embellishment. And now I'm just looking at which chipboard flare I'd like to add at the top, and I end up going with the little love flare. So that's going at the top there. So I've added a few more embellishments than what the sketch said, just to add a little bit more to the page. Alright, so I've got my home scripty word going on the side there, just working out the spacing for my title now. So I've got the together word from the ephemera pack and my 3 little journaling strips that are going on the side. I've just stuck all of those into place, and now I'm going to grab my sewing machine and stitch along each of those as well, and that will help keep everything nice and secure. So this is where I'm doing my little bit of stamping. So I've got this one here from the Traveller's Notebook stamp set, and that's going at the bottom of my photo, and I'll add some stitching to that. And then I decided to add those little rows of hearts right at the top corner of the page there. So I'm going to ink that one up. I'll do a little test stamp first, just on that scrap white cardstock. And now I'm just going on the top corner, and I'm just going to keep stamping until the ink disappears. And of course, to finish off, I just need the dates at the very bottom of the page. So I'll give you a look at the layout and the sketch side by side, and I'll give you a closer look at the little details here. So you can see there, it's fairly close to the sketch, a few more embellishments, and I'm really happy with how this one's come out. That sketch was really fun to work with. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I've put this one together today. If you've got any questions, just pop it down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll leave a link to Citrus Twist kits down below as well, and I look forward to seeing you very soon with another project. Thanks for joining me today. Bye for now.